Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada. In this video, we will learn how to view your RBC day-to-day banking transactions online. We will also include links for some of the banking products we recommend in the description below. To start, open the website rbcroyalbank.com, then click on the Sign In button. On the field provided, enter the client card or username. Then click on Next. Next, enter your password. Then click on Sign In. Once you're signed in, scroll down a little. Under Bank Accounts, you will see your RBC Day-to-Day Banking. Click on RBC Day-to-Day Banking. On this page, scroll down a little. Then you will see your recent transactions. That's how you view your RBC Day-to-Day Banking transactions online. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.